we can see that our website has 100% performance, 90% accessibility, 100% best practices, and 100% SEO. That means it loads extremely fast. It is SEO optimized. It is indexable, and it will actually rank on Google. This one prompt allows you to create an SEO optimized directory that you can monetize and grow in 2026 and beyond. The prompt allows you to create a comprehensive list of a directory of your choice. You also have the ability to create an admin panel for users to submit a listing to your directory. In that build, you also have the ability to create a CMS for blogging, which allows you to grow your SEO further with blogging. And you can do this all within 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. This prompt allows you to create an SEO optimized directory website that you can monetize and grow, and you can build this all in less than 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and show you how this can be done. I really like directory sites because it's niche. It's a lot less competitive. Before, it was much more technical to build and would cost you a lot more, or you need a lot more technical knowledge. But in today's AI age, I can show you how to build a directory site that's going to be HTML and static, which essentially just means that it'll be SEO optimized, not code heavy. So it'll actually be indexed by Google and rank on Google. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the directory site in which I was able to build. This works extremely well. I've went ahead and tested it, and it looks like a professional directory site. So this is for people that are looking for a Bible study within the Toronto or the GTA. We can see that there's categories. This is great for SEO. We can see recently verified groups. We can see that we also have groups by area. So this is really, really good again for local SEO. You find specific areas within the directory that you're building, and you find local areas, and you can build listings for those specific areas. And then we can also browse the full directory. And again, if we scroll down, we can go through any one of these, click into any one of these directories. We can then see the information, see the related groups. We can even visit the website as well. So if I visit the website, as you can see, the websites are all live. This is not, information that's outdated. This is all up-to-date information. We can see more groups based upon that keyword as well. So it is very, very user-friendly. It's mobile optimized. And again, the biggest thing is that it's HTML static and SEO optimized. And also, if we head over to resources, I just built the blog CMS. You can actually upload blogs onto your website. And as you can see here, it will upload the actual blog with good formatting HTML onto your website. So not only do you have your listing and your directory listings, you also now have your resources or your blog section that you can use to grow your website traffic and your SEO. So now let's talk about exactly how we were able to do this. As I told you guys, I went through a lot of building to get this done, and I took all of what I learned, all of the good, the bad, and the in-between, what actually works, and I put it all into an SOP. So literally all you have to do is go ahead and copy over this SOP and pop it into your favorite AI builder. Now, I recommend using Bolt. The reason why I recommend using Bolt is because we're using Bolt and Astro. Now, Astro allows you to build custom HTML websites. So as we can see here, this is the Astro framework, and it loads extremely fast, and it's great for SEO. So let's do a test. Let's go ahead and take a look at our domain, PageSpeed Insights by Google, and we're going to go ahead and paste in our URL for the website that we just created. So this was literally created a couple of hours ago, and I use Bolt's custom domain to publish it right onto Bolt. Pay $15 for the year, which is pretty inexpensive, but as you can see, I have a website that's up and running. It's SEO optimized again, and it's really, really well done. Here is the report from the domain and the website that we just built. For mobile, we have a 90 performance, 90 accessibility, 100% best practices, and 100% SEO. That is extremely good for a new website, and a website that we built again using AI. If I go to desktop, we can see that our website has 100% performance, 90% accessibility, 100% best practices, and 100% SEO. That means it loads extremely fast. It is SEO optimized. It is indexable, and it will actually rank on Google. And that is the key. Anyone can build a website now in AI, but can anyone build a website that's actually going to rank, index, and get traffic and looks beautiful, mobile optimized, and has these intelligent AI features. As I mentioned before, we also have a blog post CMS. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. If you head over to admin, we can manage the whole dashboard in the admin portal. So for example, I can see the total amount of listings, how many are verified, features, and pending. I can add a listing, I can review submissions, and again, I can take a look at all my listings for my directory site. I can bulk import listings. So if I want to bulk import a bunch of listings, I can go ahead and do so. I can claim requests. If someone claims a listing, I can see the claim request and I can approve, reject it. And I can also add blog posts. So again, as I showed you guys, I can head over to blog posts, add a blog post. Let's head over to my favorite tool, WordRocket. We're just going to grab any random piece of content here because I just didn't have a chance to create an article. We're going to copy over the title, and then we're going to make that the meta description, the tags, so on and so forth. Again, this is just a test. And then we're going to hit publish. And if you head over to resources, again, we can see the article has been posted. You can use the free plan for Bolt, but it will take you some time because it's very limited in terms of your tokens. But if you invest in $20 per month, which I don't think is very expensive, you can build your website much easier and much quicker. And again, you can automate it by adding in your resources, and I will set up a way in which you can create a webhook that will automatically create content from WordRocket, which is my AI content generation tool. So it automatically create content and post over to your site. So that's going to be the next video, which I'll be showing you how to automate the SEO of your directory site. That's it for today's video. But again, as you can see here, this website is extremely professional. Everything works. It's interlinked. It's SEO optimized. And again, instead of you having to do the heavy lifting, just go ahead and take a look at my prompt in the description below today's video. People will charge you money for this prompt. You'll have to join their school community or pay money for a prompt like this, but I'm giving it to you guys for completely free because I don't necessarily need it. This is just a passion project of my own. So hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.